need some help here, Sedge. How am I going to hold this down on this beautiful bench?
Okay, so go ahead and get your new chisel. I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so when we're talking about bench basics, I'm not going to go over it. You're going to see through the years how I'm going to show you all kinds of holding fixtures I've made for my benches. But one of the things you definitely need is a Holdfast. And those have, and they've been around since the Romans, when the Romans were building benches. And I've used a variety of different Holdfasts where, see the knurling on here? Okay, and this is a traditional Holdfast, but it's a little bit different. Okay, where a Holdfast is a single piece of steel, okay, and you knock it in to hold it down. And look at that, see how I knocked it down? Look. Okay, and to remove it, you can take a hammer or something, and you can take it out. Okay, this is a little bit different because it has the knurling that holds it down, but you can take it and get a little more tension on there.
Okay.
Okay, pretty cool, pretty easy. Okay. And then you can take your piece. Right now, I've also used these, and I've gotten this. Where these are self-adjusting toggle clamps. These are wonderful. It has the knurling, so when I put it in like this, I can open it up, and these are the greatest toggle clamps because they're self-adjusting.
Awesome. Okay.
All right, so there you go. But just recently, I went out and I got these clamps, and I always got to look at the model number. It's a Bessey EZR-Set. These guys make the best clamps. All right, but it's a quick release clamp that works like that. Okay. Now, see how that head comes off? I could take it like this. So say you're working on a chair and it becomes a spreader. Okay? So you can spread things apart. Put it in and you're fixing a chair and that opens it up. Okay. Now, there is something beautiful about this clamp that I automatically saw when I saw this. I measured this. It fits in my dog hole. See the head? And I can take that and put it on underneath like that. And guess what? I now have a quick Holdfast.
That's awesome.
Isn't that sweet?
Huh.
So there you go.
Who'd have thunk it?